Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Gocardless account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Gocardless account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in manage.gocardless.com and make a search. The login page of Gocardless account will appear on the screen. Tap on Sign Up option. Enter your email address and tap on Get Started. On the next page, enter your first and last name, your organization name, business type, email address, and your work phone number. Create a password for your Gocardless account. Tick mark on the box to agree to the terms and conditions of Gocardless and tap on Get Started. You'll receive a verification email sent to your registered email address. Click on Next button, follow through the prompts till the end, and that is how you'll be able to sign up for your Gocardless account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.